Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Irfan offers a course which is titled as Popular IDEs for C Programming Language in Windows Operating System. It is lecture 9 of this course, Install Code Blocks in Windows. And I'm your instructor, Saman Khan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present steps to install code blocks in Windows. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented how to search and access the official website of code blocks using Google. After that, I presented how to download the latest version of code blocks setup file from its official website. And then I presented how to verify that code block setup file was successfully downloaded. Steps to install code blocks in Windows. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install the latest version of code blocks in Windows operating system. The system and software specifications to install latest version of code blocks in Windows operating system are as follows. Operating system is Windows 10. Software name is Code Blocks. Version we used is 20.03 and installation date is 24th of July 2022. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to install Code Blocks 20.3 in Windows 10. Step 1 is locate Code Blocks 20.3 setup file. In the previous lecture, that is lecture 8, download code blocks for Windows, I downloaded and saved the code blocks 20.3 setup file in the downloads folder. For that, go to your desktop screen and go to your PC. From there, go to downloads folder. Here I'm in downloads folder and you can see code blocks 20.3 setup file is presented here. Alhamdulillah, I have successfully located code blocks 20.3 setup file. Step 2 is run the installation wizard. To run the installation wizard, go to downloads folder and double click on code blocks. This will prompt a mini window of code blocks installer. Click on next. License agreement window will appear. Read the agreement and click on I agree button. Next step is to choose components. Make sure all the checkboxes are ticked. Space required is 88.1 MB. Then click on next button. Choose destination folder where you want to install code blocks. In my case, it is C program code blocks. Then click on install. Installation process will start. It will hardly take 2 minutes to install code blocks. After installation, a mini window will pop out that will ask to open code blocks right now. If you want to open it right now, click on yes, otherwise click on no. I will open it later, then I will click on no. Then click on next button and to finish installation process, click on finish. Alhamdulillah, installation process has been completed. Now let's move to third and final step, that is verify the installation of code blocks to 20.3 in Windows. For that, move to your desktop screen. Here you can see shortcut of code blocks has been created on my desktop. Double click on code blocks shortcut icon. Here you can see code blocks has been successfully opened. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our step 3. To summarize, I used three-step process to completely and correctly install code blocks 20.3 in Windows 10. To do and your turn task. To do task for this part is to install code blocks 20.3 on your computer with Windows operating system, as shown in this lecture. Your turn task is to install latest version of NetBeans IDE on your computer Windows operating system by following the steps mentioned in this lecture. Now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented how to locate code blocks setup file on your computer. After that, I showed how to run the installation wizard to install code blocks. After that, I presented how to verify that code blocks was successfully installed. In next lecture, inshallah, I will present how to run your first C program using code blocks 20.3. Abdul Aziz Taqiyuddin Nurul Murkada said, narrated from Tashiul Maqasid, of all the optional worships, recitation of Durood Sharif is the best. May Allah give us the strength to recite Durood Sharif abundantly. Ameen. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.